training course of a scholarship about childcare. In the first workshop, I studied about children physical and mental development. So I made this video to share with you some useful information to help you take care of your child when he or she was diagnosed with ADHD. So when your child got ADHD, what should you do to boost his confidence, to improve his social life? First, set aside a daily special time for you and your child. A special time, whether it's an outing, playing games, or just time you spend with your child in positive interaction, can help fortify your child's self-esteem. Second, notice your child's successes, no matter how small. Tell your child exactly what she or he did well. This can improve your child's self-confidence. Thirdly, tell your child that you love and support him or her unconditionally. There will be days when you may not believe in yourself. Those will be days when it is even more important that you acknowledge the difficulties that you and your child constantly faces. Let your child know that you will get through both the smooth and rough time together. The fourth tip for you is assist your child with social skills. Your cooperation to complete and improve some social skill may help him or her to be more confident and make friends more easily. Finally, identify your child's strengths. Many children with ADHD have strengths in certain areas such as art, computers, and mechanical ability. Build upon these strengths so that your child will have a sense of pride. Remember, avoid as much as possible targeting these activities as a form of punishment when the child misbehaves. Here are some tips for you to boost your child's confidence. If you have questions, you can leave the comment below this video. Thank you for your watching.